Hi, my name is Sierra and I'm a student at Spectrum Advanced Aesthetics. I am part of the Clinical Master Aesthetics program and I'm currently learning the art of skincare, all from the comfort of my home. I know, it's crazy times that we're living in and a lot of us have had to make adjustments in our personal lives, but the same is true for education, and how we're receiving our education is changing a lot right now. Luckily for me, being a student at Spectrum, I'd say the transition has been pretty seamless. As soon as we found out that we were going to be in quarantine, my wonderful teacher, Beatrice Van, and my beautiful school director, Mary Nielsen, helped put together these massive kits of supplies so we could continue meeting our state requirements while we're stuck at home. I know when I first heard about distance learning, I had a lot of questions that kind of came up in my mind, like, am I going to get the same level of instruction as I would in person? I would say, being a student at Spectrum, the answer is absolutely yes. Beatrice is always just a phone call, a text, an email away, and she's been helping navigate us through this situation, but also making sure that we're still progressing in our education and that we're constantly learning new things. So I really cannot complain. Being a student at Spectrum Advanced Aesthetics has been absolutely phenomenal. I love my school, I love my teachers, and I love my classmates. The only sad thing right now is that I don't get to see any of them in person, but I just wanted to take some time and share with you guys what my experience has been being a student during a pandemic. But hang in there, stay positive, get sunlight, get fresh air, and make sure that you wear your sunscreen.